Awurade Nyinaa, but this particular cover was not done by Thompson. It was done by Celestine Donko, alright? So it was done in the key of D, but I'm playing the key of F, okay? So Awurade Nyinaa, he moved from the 6, Awurade to the 5, then the Z, then La, okay? So it will be like this, La, then Su, then Z, then La, okay? So you repeat that side 2 times. Awurade Nyinaa, like that, okay? This is the first part. Let's check the other one. Have another part that says that. And nothing I make to say was say. I didn't quite show when you know. My name Benny never say. Uni Awurade. So then Fa, then Re, then Z, then La. Okay, then there's another part that say Miura Nyami. Okay, so it moves like this. Miura Nyami, Bonamida, Mini Obia, Ejaji Sewo. Check the chord progression. Miura, then So, then Z, then La, then La, then So, then Fa, then So, then Do. Let's check the other part too. Unima bandindi, unimi Yehowa, mimi obia ejaje. So let's check the chord progression. The 6, the La, then the Su, then the Z, then La, then Fa, then Su, then Re, So, then Do. So let's take the part that say Fa on Saturday. Fa on Saturday, no, Jimmy V, my time for self. My one shining now, down in Oye, she ran my me, maybe free, in our mouth, forward to me, no, for me, so that side, you play this particular progression 3 times. Fa on sa, La, then Su, then Z, then La. Then second time, my one Nyinaa, the So, then Z, me free, La, sir, then the So, then the Z. So the next part is Mami so temptima, Mami so temptima. Okay, so that part is Fa, then So, then La. Alright. So basically the song has been breaking down to its simplest chord. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Bye.